아이스크림을 먹고 이상한 소리를 냅니다.
Waiter, excuse me, may I know what is she doing?
She's having a new dessert. It's called the Wu ice cream.
Okay, can
결국
I
호기심에
try
갇힌
that?
아이스크림을 주문하는 여자.
Thank you.
하지만 그저 평범한 맛이었고
There's nothing special about this.
가격이 사악합니다.
How much is it?
$88.
Are you kidding me?
Yes, but we do have a discount. If you're willing to eat it and say woo woo, we give you a 50% discount.
What?